Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
I will discuss about the topic sphere. You, all the students have idea about sphere. Sphere is a round shape, three-dimensional figure. That means you have idea about ball, football. Clear? So, this is a sphere. If we draw a section from the mid portion of the sphere, this is the radius. Clear? This is the two-dimensional figure. We write it as a circle, but this section like this is a sphere. It is a ball shape. Okay. Now, the surface area of the sphere, that means the total surface area of the sphere will be is equal to 4 pi r square. Clear? Its unit will be unit square, that means unit square, that means centimeter square, meter square. Okay. Now, the volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Its unit will be centimeter cube or meter cube, that means unit cube. Clear? Now, if this is a hemisphere, it is a ball. Okay. The surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square, so it is the hemisphere. Its surface area is like this, 2 pi r square. But if we covered this section, that means if we covered this section, so this is the form of a circle, okay, and its area is pi r square. So, the total area, that means the total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that will be 3 pi r square. Clear? So, we give some example about this topic. Next, if we draw a ball like this is the section. Understand? Here the outer radius, that means the outer radius capital R and the inner radius smaller. Here it is like this, it is smaller and here it is capital R. So, the sectional area of this will be pi r square minus r square. Okay. If we have to find out the outer area, so the outer area will be pi r square minus r square plus 2 pi r square. Okay, because this is the outer surface is this surface, but you have to find it. If the sums is that, you have to find out the total area. So, the total area will be this area, this outer area, and also the inner area. Clear? So, inner area will be 2 pi r square. With the help of the formula, we have to find various types of the problem. Understand? Now, I will give some example. Okay? So, I will write the right side of the board. Formula will be surface area 4 pi r square, unit will be square unit, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Unit will be unit cube, that means centimeter cube, meter cube. If hemisphere will be 2 pi r square and volume will be 2 by 3 pi r cube, and also this is 2 pi r square and this is r, and the sectional area is pi r square minus r square. Clear? Now, if we take two sphere, its volume V1 and its volume V2. Understand? And its surface area S1 and this surface area S2. Clear? Now, it is given that V1 is to V2 equal to 1 is to 8. So, the sums is you have to find the ratio of the surface area of these two spheres. Okay. Now, we know that the formula of V, that means the volume, is 4 by 3 pi r cube. With the help of the formula, we must have to write 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. Let it be done that it is r1 and its area be r2. Let us take. Okay. Now, 4 by 3 pi r cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube equal to 1 is to 8. Now, we cancel 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi. Clear? So, we have r1 by r2 whole cube 1 by 2 whole cube. So, we have r1 by r2 equal to 1 by 2. Now, we have to find out the ratio of the surface of the two spheres. Clear? So, S1 by S2 equal to 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. Clear? Now, we cancel 4 pi and 4 pi from numerator and denominator. Okay. So, we get r1 by r2 whole square. Clear? Now, put the value r1 by r2 equal to 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 whole square, we get the final result. It is the ratio 1 is to 4. Clear? All the student? Now, I will take the second example. Here, two spheres are to be taken. Here given that V1 is to V2, but now the next sum, the surface area is given. Let us take S1 is to S2 equal to 1 is to 16. Okay. You have to find out the volume of the two spheres. Clear? So, from the formula of the circumference of the sphere 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square equal to 1 by 16. Now, if we cancel this, r1 by r2 whole square is 1 by 4. So, r1 by r2 will be 1 by 4. Clear? Now, you have to find out the ratio of the volumes of the two spheres. Clear? So, V1 by V2 is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. Clear? Because I have chosen the two radius of the two spheres. Let us take A and B spheres, its radius r1 and r2. Now, cancel this, we get r1 by r2 whole cube. Now, we put the value 1 by 4. So, we have 1 by 64. That means, the final result is V1 by V2 is 1 by 64. Clear? Now, we choose the next sum. Here, this is a sphere made of iron. Okay. Its radius, let us choose that its radius be capital R equal to 14 centimeter. It is melted and recast into small spheres. Each radius be taken same. Clear? Now, the question is, how many small spheres will be formed from these big spheres? Now, it is given that the radius of the small spheres is 3.5 centimeter. It is melted. Now, this volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to this small spheres. Let us take the number of the small spheres be x. So, x into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? So, we cancel from the both sides. We have r cube equal to x into r cube. So, x equal to, that means the number of the small spheres that which I find out, r cube by r cube. Now, putting the value of capital R and small r, we have the result 14 cube by 3.5 whole cube. Clear? So, we reach the final stage. If we calculate this, we get the final result Okay. So, this type of the sum is very important for the plus 10, and you should have to maintain this type of the sum very clearly. Understand what I am telling? Now, I will give you another example. Three spheres is to be taken, whose radius is given that R1, R2 and R3. Let us take, this is 1 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter and it is 3 centimeter. Clear? Melted these three spheres and form a big sphere. So, question is that what is the radius of the big spheres? That means, let us take radius of the big spheres be capital R. So, the sum of the three spheres is equal to the volume of the big spheres. Okay. So, let us take volume of the big spheres be capital R. So, 4 by 3 pi R cube equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube. Clear? Now, take common from the right hand side. 4 by 3 pi R cube equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Clear? Now, cancel from right and the left hand side. Equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. So, we have 27 plus 8, 27 plus 8 plus 1, that means 1 plus 8 plus 27. So, capital R will be 36 whole to the power 1 by 3. Clear? Otherwise, we must write the cube root of 36. If this figure will be 64, 8, 27, 125, so we get easily. That means the cube root of 64 be 4, the cube root of 8 be 2, and so on. So, understand this sum. I will next give you the next sum. That means the surface area of the sphere is cube by v square. The ratio is to be find out. Clear? 4 pi r square whole cube by 4 by 3 pi if we calculate, we get the 4 cube pi cube r to the power 6 by 4 square into 3 square pi square r to the power 6. Clear? So, here r to the power 6 and r to the power 6 be same and is to be cancelled. then you cross the r to the power 6 and r to the power 6. Here pi square and here pi cube. So, if we cancel, we get. So, 4 cube and 4 square be, that means 4 pi, 3 square means 9, that means 36 pi. You get the result. So, the various types of the problem helps to learn your topic spheres. Okay, everybody. The next class I will discuss the another sums.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.